What if your closet could become your creative space? My bedroom closet was small, dark, and well, let's just say it wasn't exactly YouTube ready. But with some planning and creativity, I made it work. And you can too. And remember, what inspires me might be totally different from what inspires you. So take these ideas and make them your own. With the closet cleared out, I was ready to plan the layout. I was fortunate that my desk from my previous home fit perfectly in the closet. I also had some peel and stick wallpaper that I knew would look great in the space. I added some magnetic metal pegboards and wicker baskets and wire organizers for storage, along with a few storage pieces on the floor. I started out with my old corded desk lamp, but then I found these rechargeable clip-on lights. They're great since I can move them around depending on what I'm doing, and no cords to get in the way. Then came the fun part, adding personality. I took a cue from content creator Elaine at Cobalt Dragon and wanted to surround myself with things that inspire me. These are the things that inspire me. This paint-by-number scene has been in my life since I was a child. My late father spent time unwinding by doing these. He was always one of my best cheerleaders who taught me to follow my dreams. Another thing my father passed on to me was his sense of humor. Ever since I first saw these air dancers, I've loved them. When I saw this miniature version, I knew I had to include it in my space. Do you recognize this baby? It's me. I like to look at this picture and remember how far I've come from such humble beginnings. I found this at a thrift store and knew I had to have it. Even before I started my channel, I was filled with wonder. In fact, this book by Rachel Carson sits above me as a reminder to always keep that sense of wonder. If you're a content creator or nature lover, you know how important patience is. This print helps me remember that if a seed can patiently wait to become a tree, then I can patiently wait for just the right group of people to find my channel. Finally, I added this beautiful vase with a glass bird and filled it with artificial cattails and reeds, since these are found in my favorite habitat. I added the bright yellow flowers to bring in some sunshine, even on a dreary day. Whatever sparks your creativity, bring it into your space. And here's the final look. From clutter closet to creative studio. It's small, but it inspires me every day. And that's what matters most. Now I want to hear from you. What would you include in your creative space? Drop your ideas in the comments section. And if this gave you inspiration, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.